Welcome to your Computers for Teachers device unboxing of your brand new Lenovo. Now, as you get your box, you will notice on the front here this QR code. This QR code is likely how you found this video. It will take you to a landing page that will have other video content that we produce. That video content will cover troubleshooting so that you can empower yourself to resolve some issues, become your own level 1 tech. Number 2, it will show you about the frequently asked questions that people often ask about this device, and number 3 will be how to process warranty. So they will be other videos coming for you. Now, something else that you'll notice is the carbon offset. So this device is a nice feel-good moment for you to know that your device has been carbon offset. As you go into the box, you'll notice that you've got your own backpack, but let's get to the device itself. So, as we open this device, you'll also find another bonus QR code. So once you've become familiar with the device and comfortable with using it, scan this code and check out the content here for some other lesson plans for grades 7, 8 and 9 on STEM and energy. Now, as we go through, we're going to open and get out our Lenovo Yoga 13W Gen 2. Now, what does that all mean? Well, first of all, Lenovo is the manufacturer of the device. Next, we say 13W, which means it's got a 13-inch diameter, which is great for you, for your eyes. It's a good balance between a device that's light enough to go in your backpack to carry with your books and your pencil cases and the things that you use, but it's big enough that you get good visibility of the screen. So that's the device there. Now, the yoga compartment of the device's description is because it is a 2-in-1 touchscreen flip, which means it can convert all the way here into the bridge position and then to a tablet mode. So the other components of this device we want to discuss here today. For one, we want to look at the camera. So the camera enables you, this camera here, which has a shutter that it can close when you're not using it. But when you do want to use it, it's great for Teams and other conversations that you're having when you're doing online meetings. So that's that tablet, that's that camera there. Now, the next camera is actually here. And this camera is for when it is in tablet mode, then you can be looking at your tablet and having the camera face forward. You can also use this camera for when you're wanting to screenshot things with writing on them, because this camera will reverse the content. So this camera is useful for screenshotting. Then on the side here, you've got your USB-C for charging, which is really useful because there's a lot more USB-C cables around. So it means that if you're ever in somewhere else and you've forgotten your actual power cable, your phone charging cable will actually help to charge this device for you. And that leads to the next port, which means that's where you can plug in your phone. So you've got 2 USB-Cs here. Then you have got your headphone jack and your HDMI port. Now, your HDMI port is for connecting to audio visuals when you're wanting to do presentations and other content like that. The device also has wireless capability, so when you are working with other equipment that has that wireless functionality, then you will be able to connect and share screens. Now, on the other side, we have here 2 USB-As. There's another little bonus. Here is where your pen is garaged. So, future lessons, we will show you how to use this pen with your device in tablet mode and get the most out of your device. Thank you for your time here. We look forward to you joining us on the next installation. Lenovo.